Welcome. My name is Peter Strong. I'm a professional mindfulness-based psychotherapist based in Colorado, and I offer Skype Therapy for help with anxiety, including agoraphobia, and also for help recovering from depression and addictions as well. There are many advantages to seeing a therapist via Skype, one of which is convenience. It's much more easy to schedule your sessions to fit your schedule, and you don't have to take out so much time to commute to see a therapist in an office. So there are lots of advantages like that. Many people prefer online therapy in general because it gives a greater sense of being in control, and that's really important. In the Skype therapy that I offer, we're really about exploring how to help you learn ways of working with your emotions more effectively using the techniques of mindfulness therapy. So I specialize in mindfulness therapy because it's the most effective approach that I know for working with the root cause of anxiety and depression. We need to learn how to change the relationship that we have with our emotions. This is critical. Most of the time we react with aversion and avoidance, trying to get away from unpleasant feelings. We end up suppressing them. Now this is a real problem because it stops them healing. Consciousness is required for emotions to heal fully. Without it, they don't heal and they become stuck in the mind. So we need to learn how to develop more consciousness or mindfulness in relationship to our emotions. We need to develop more consciousness internally to see the patterns of reactive thinking that feeds our anxiety or depression. Reactive thinking is a real problem when it becomes habitual. When we don't see it, when we don't have any choice, when we feel overpowered by those reactive thoughts that produce anxiety or depression. So learning to see them clearly brings choice with it. That is a function of consciousness. We can start to break free from the blind subconscious quality of reactive thinking. We start to turn thoughts and emotions into objects that we can develop a relationship with. And when we are free from reactivity, which inhibits healing, we can then start to develop a relationship based on compassion, which is very powerful for promoting well-being and healing and recovery. So we need to develop inner compassion towards our own emotional pain. That is critical. So this is part of what I'll be teaching you during our Skype therapy sessions together. Skype therapy is an excellent choice if you're looking for an alternative to medications. Medications have their place, but they don't really change anything at the deeper level. So you still remain vulnerable to the same habitual mechanisms that create your anxiety or depression. In mindfulness therapy, we focus on changing those mechanisms directly. So if you'd like to learn more about mindfulness therapy via Skype, and you'd like to schedule some Skype therapy sessions with me, do please contact me. Tell me more about yourself and what you've tried so far, and I'll explain to you how to work with your emotions using mindfulness. Skype is really useful for psychotherapy when it's delivered online, because Skype allows you to see each other, and that is critical for good communication. So if you can see each other, then Skype therapy is really no different than meeting a therapist in person. So if you'd like to try out some Skype therapy with me and learn how to apply mindfulness to work with your anxiety or depression or addiction or any other emotion that is causing you suffering, then please reach out to me through my website and let's schedule a Skype therapy session. Thank you.